Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Festo Tristano Frando. I'm from Aeronautical Engineering. I will present my assignment. Those tools are equipment used by humans to facilitate their work. Number one, open wrench. Open wrench is used to remove bolts or nuts that have been loosened with a socket, wrench or ring. Next, adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrenches are only used when the correct open wrench, ring and socket are not available for the job. Next slide. Spark plug socket. Spark plug socket is installed with a rubber insert which not only prevent the porcelain on the spark plugs from breaking, but also to hold the spark plug for easier breathing and installation of spark plug. Next slide. Ratchet wrench that is used to remove or install loose bolt without having to remove the sock wrench from the head of the bolt or nut. Next, electric drill. The main function of the drill is to perforate floors, iron plates, and other. The drill use shape. The drill bit used is shaped like a tube. Next, screwdriver. Screwdriver is a mechanical device that functions to open or install bolts on various machines, and electronic devices. Next slide. File. The use of a file in cutting work to flatten and smooth a file, make it even an angle between one plate and another, make it even and parallel, make a file plane. Next slide. Rivet tools. The definition of rivet malfunction is a connecting tool in the connecting parts ranging from light construction to heavy construction types. Next slide. Vernier caliper. To measure an object from the outside by being sandwiched and measure the depth of the gap or hole and in an object by sticking or poking the measured part. Next slide. Hammer. Hammer are tools used to hit or impact a workpiece. And then pliers. Pliers are clamp tools used to clamp, cut, and hold objects tightly. Metal cutting tools. Metal cutting tools function to cut an iron plate. Wire twister. A tool used to make coils of wire to be used as a safety wire. Mallet hammer. Mallet hammer is generally used for work related to the body and plates such as to flatten and deaden body without damaging the paint on the surface on the body. Pneumatic rivet gun, a device used to join the two plates together using a rivet with pneumatic power. Thanks for your attention.